'Cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning. Happy Tuesday, guys. Uwiaan na. So, gisingin na natin tong ating baby girl. Papa. Papa, good morning. Wake up. Wake up and take a shower. Good morning, beautiful baby. Good morning. Nakaligo na pala ako. Si Jan naliligo. Si Kuya naliligo. Si Sak tulog pa. Come on. Come on. Daddy's waiting for you there. Come on. Ayan, naka-shower cup ako. Kasi hindi natin binasa yung buhok natin. Ito yung sinuot ko. Sports bra. Yung Adidas. So, ganyan siya sa likod. And, ganyan yung dito sinasabi ko na hinuhook para ma-adjust siya. Ayan. Sikipan or luluwagan. May hook siya dyan. Ipapasok lang yan. Yung makita kasi black. Ayan. So, yan yung ating susuotin pauwi. Tapos, lagyan ko na lang ng denim jacket. Tapos, etong leggings is dun sa rackwear. So, yan. Okay. Uwi na tayo. Kasi si Sak siya kasi Holly may activities pa mamayang hapon. So, mamimiss ko tong bed. Ayan, mamimiss ko yung bed. Well, lahat naman dito sa anong hotel, mamimiss natin. Hindi ko nagamit yung ano, yung jacuzzi dito. Alright. See you next time. Oh, mamimiss natin tong pa-stairs nila. Ano na sila. Uwiaan na. Then, ano pa ba? Hindi nila nagustuhan yung ano. Hindi nila nagustuhan yung chocolate. Ayan, iniwan nila. Ayan yung complimentary. Isa sa mga complimentaries dito. Okay, let's go. Binigyan niya kami ng bagong towels. Pero, ginamit namin yung kahapon. May tira pa kasing dalawang hindi nagamit. Okay, naka-check out na tayo. Palabas na tayo ng... Pagkalalabas lang natin ng parking lot. Time check is 9:09. Ayan. And today is October 24. Ang haba ng traffic, guys. Ang haba ng traffic. Oh. Kasi weekdays. May mga pasok ang tao. Ang haba. Oh. Diba? Hanggang. Hanggang doon ang traffic o sa dulo.
But the problem is,
What? I know. Dulo sa dulo. Ito tayo ni Jan na mag-squeeze dyan. Walay, guys. Akala ni Jan, bago dumating yung mga cars dito, yung incoming, makakapunta siya doon. Hindi ang bibilis nila. So, nakatawid na tayo sa kabila. Pero traffic pa din doon. Oh.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a
Pagas tayo dito sa Thailand Ben and kuha kami ng egg and bacon. Masarap yung egg and bacon dito. Tsaka hot chocolate. Time is 10:14 na. Okay, are you coming, Holly?
Yeah.
Okay. Kinuha niya ng daddy ng coffee. Tingnan niyo yung ano niya. 7 to 8, di ba? Yung tag niya. You're starving, yes? Dim Sims, okay. Pero sabi nga daw, crop top siya eh. Patingin ba ba? What's in here? May pa-imbush siya dyan. Oh. Thank you. Yung hot chocolate natin. Hintayin lang natin yung ibang order natin. This is your sack. Okay. Just wait because we have more. Ayan na yung egg and bacon natin. So, meron akong chicken tenders na iba-ibang flavor. Mayroon salt and vinegar, sweet chili, southern, and ano pa ba yung isa? Salt vinegar. Basta, iba-ibang flavor niya. Salt and vinegar.
That's the chicken. It's like the base.
Yeah, it's like the bay. And you can have one. You can have that one.
That's so good.
And may hot chocolate tayo. Pero ito ang the best nila dito. Yung egg and bacon.
Can I finish this?
Yeah, you can have that one, Mama. You're welcome. Naubos niyo. Did you finish your dim sim?
Not yet. I'm
Not
still
yet.
eating it.
Ganyan. Oh, sarap.
That was good.
Ito ang favorite niyo dyan dito. So na, ano niyo na
That
ako?
always good.
Daddy, yeah. Nung na-try ko, nagustuhan ko na rin siya. Sarap. Sa Ample, yung petrol nila is Ample. Dito sa Talamben. Ang sarap pag nagawi kayo dito.
This chicken's so good. One more mom for you.
Thank you. Si Kuya ganito din. Si Zach chicken tender. It's spicy, right Zach? It's spicy chicken tender. It's not even spicy.
It's like vinegar.
It's like vinegar.
Is that the spicy one?
Si chili, ano pa yung isa? Wala silang tintinda na iba-ibang flavor. Nag-ask lang ako and ginawa niya ako. So, kumuha lang siya dun sa mga buckets na tigi-isa. Kasi, sa isang bucket, 4 na piraso. $6.80.
When I finish all of this, can I have a drink of your Milo to wash it?
Milo.
We have water. We got cold water. I don't know what that means.
No, you can have it, but it's hot.
I know. Oh, so good. And this is sweet. Sweet with the salt.
Salt and vinegar.
It's juicy.
Sarap. Malamig. Dito, pero sabi rin dyan, mas malamig sa amin. How many knots, Kuya? The wind? No, Daddy said before. I think, yeah.
But what do you mean, no?
Daddy said it's 30 knots ba yun?
Oh, yeah.
Is it 30 knots?
Yeah, at ours.
At home, yeah. Kain mo na namin ito. Okay, alis na tayo. Yung chicken tender na in-order ko, isa na lang natira. Si Holly naka ano na. Oops. Naka 3. Tapos ito save ko kay Kuya. Kinagatan ko lang ng konti. Kasi gusto niya din. So, kagat lang yung nakuha ko sa mga chicken tenders na in-order ko. Then yung bacon, tinarang ko siya ng konti kasi umurong kayo. Tinarang ko siya ng konti doon sa egg and bacon natin kasi gustong gusto niya yun eh. So, uwi na tayo. Okay, alis na tayo. Yung chicken tender na in-order ko, isa na lang natira. Si Holly naka ano na. Oops. Naka 3. Tapos ito save ko kay Kuya. Kinagatan ko lang ng konti. Kasi gusto niya din. So, kagat lang yung nakuha ko sa mga chicken tenders na in-order ko. Then yung bacon, tinarang ko siya ng konti kasi umurong kayo. Tinarang ko siya ng konti doon sa egg and bacon natin kasi gustong gusto niya yun eh. So, uwi na tayo.
Everybody makes mistakes, 'cause no one can be perfect. It was just one kiss, but that don't justify it. I know what I did was wrong, but it's like I did it just to spite you, because all we ever do is fight. Oh, and I really think it's time we say goodbye. Baby, I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more each other's feelings. Maybe I'm just too tired to talk, and you don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind.
Bahay na kami, guys. Ito yung nabili ni Jen na iinumin niya. Sa Elite. Yung Emerald Love. So, yung watermelon snow cone ang flavor. And nuggets. Chicken nuggets and rice. And creaming soda. So, yan yung nabili niya dun sa Elite. At saka yung fish oil nga. So, yung dinner nila is... Hala, hindi ko ito nalagay. Nasayang yung rice. Hindi natin nalagay yung rice sa sa fish. Sira na yun.
No, I'm not coming.
You're not coming where?
To basketball.
You have dancing.
You have singing.
You have dancing at... Time check pala is 2:30. You have dancing 6:45.
Ballet or
No, the regular with Kim.
jazz?
You know, with the junior?
Ballet?
No, jazz, I think, that one. The one with the junior, with the big kids. Oh, yeah, with all the teachers. Yeah, the one with the hug. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's jazz, right? So you have 6:45 to 7:15 yung
I have to do that
every
every Tuesday.
Tuesday. And then si Sak 4:15 basketball training. Then after 1 hour game. So back
Is
to
there
game na
any
si Sak. Bread? Why?
I want Nutella. I'm hungry.
You're hungry? We don't have bread, Baba. No, it's not good now, Baba. Wala nang bread. Just have biscuits. Here.
Okay.
Wala nang tinapay. Here. Finish this one, yung Arnott's. So, may time pa ako muna ako. Binabana nila yung mga gamit. Nandito na yung, ay, Baba. Ayan na yung ating mga gamit. Ang dami kong ipuput away. Iput away ko na muna mga to. Then, hopefully makapag-edit tayo. Merong ginagawa si Sak. Meron siyang ginagawang baking churba sa microwave. What's that?
It's an Oreo.
Oreo with what?
I should not put that Hershey stuff in it.
So what did you put?
Jack.
Oh no, I don't want it.
We put an Oreo,
Oreo.
flour, and
Flour?
flour.
How many spoon?
One.
1 spoon? And what else? And sugar.
No, we don't have the Milo
Milo.
and
So,
baking powder.
we do have baking powder. You didn't put. How is it, Ollie? It's alright? And si Kuya, yung regalo ni Tito Riz and Tito Danya ay mga Esidon. Meron siyang top,
You got a little footy with that.
may footy ball,
Little.
and cards, and what else? Mug,
A t-shirt and
Yung folder.
And a pillowcase.
pillowcase, basta madami, lahat Esidon. And eto, nung nag-put away ako ng mga gamit namin, eto pala nabili ko. Saan namin ito nabili? So, hindi to sa Quicksilver. Intersport? Did we go to Intersport? The first,
Quicksilver.
no, before Quicksilver.
Under Armour.
No. The other surf shop.
JT Surf.
Yeah, sa JT Surf.
This
Ito yung,
one.
yeah, that one. Ito yung nabili ko doon, Roxy na top. Crop top na,
It worked.
ano ba to? Jacket?
It worked.
Yan.
I
And,
didn't put salt in it.
nung bumalik ako sa Quicksilver, ito pala yung binili ko. Yeah, it smells, it's like baking.
You want to try?
No thanks.
Yung para siyang vest lang.
It's too hot.
Should put a little bit
Ayan.
of cream in there.
Okay, I will.
Try ko nga.
Like cream, like.
There's no cream. Wala, umubo ka ha. And merong, ano kami, merong, sandali na nag-baking kami, guys.
Oh shit, water.
Ha? Titimplahin niya na yung kanyang watermelon creaming soda.
Yeah.
Mom, is it wash?
So, eto.
Mom, is this wash?
Yeah. Ayan. Yung vest. Sa Quicksilver, hindi pala Quicksilver.
Mom, when are we leaving?
Billabong.
No.
Ayan yung binili ko sa Billabong. Diba? And si Johnny Boy, ayan.
I'm gonna wait till it's not.
Oh, it smells good?
Can I
Oh,
smell?
like cream soda.
Yeah. Can I smell? like a rip-off version.
Yung isang araw, merong nabaling sanga ng aming puno. Ayun.
No water in it.
Ng isang araw yan. Mahangin pero hindi umulan. Umuulan nung papunta kami pa uwi pero hindi dito. And susuotin ko to kasi sobrang lamig. Then mag-ano ako, magdi-denim jacket. Paghatid ko dito sa dalawa. Kumakain sila ng cucumber tapos yung binake ni Sak sa microwave. Doon niya yan ilalagay. Oh. That's my baking. baking ko dyan. Come on, I wanna try it. I'm just gonna sip a little bit. Kasi protein yun eh. Ken, you got the water here.
Is it cold?
No, of course not.
Cold.
No, you just try. For now, not cold. We don't have cold water. Just a little bit, not much. Half.
I'll get this too. I get it now.
That's enough. So you. Si Kuya hindi feeling well na naman si Kuya. May sipon siya.
That was good. Oh my god.
You trying some or not?
Yeah, I will.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Trinay ko yung creaming soda, hindi ko na-on yung camera. Sobrang tamis niya para sa akin. So, kailangan madaming tubig. Tingnan mo yung dalawa. So good?
Yes.
Okay, kunin ko na yung ano.
Mom,
Yes.
when we go to Costco buying Oreos.
Again. Kunin natin yung ano na lang sila. Chicken nuggets. Saan yung chicken nuggets? Sa kabilang. Or hotdog na lang. Hotdog na lang. Hotdog na lang sila. Ay, ang lamig. Hotdog na lang, Kuya.
Yes.
Yeah?
How are you doing it?
All of this.
Yeah.
Hotdog and rice. I'm gonna cook rice now.
You want that then?
Wala na pala kaming rice. So, mag-order na lang sila ng chips sa shop. Hotdog and chips. Sarap na sarap sila sa kanilang microwave baking. Oreo lang yan. Oreo kung ano, at saka kung ano pa. Careful with your clothes.
better. Mara and Betty. Yes.
Okay. So, dahil wala tayong rice, dito ko lulutuin yung ating hotdog. Pero ano lang naman siya, mga 10 to 10 minutes lang. Pero 40 minutes kasi to, so i-off ko lang siya mamaya. And tingnan nyo yung nangyari sa aking parsley. Kasi nga, diba, ilang araw tayo sa Adelaide. Diligan natin yan. Pero yung ating basil, okay naman, tsaka yung mint. And yung flowers, okay pa naman. Dagdagan ko lang siya ng tubig. So, wala na to. Empty na to. Sa recycle bin na ito mapupunta. Sukatin ko kaya to. Kasi hindi ko to sinukat ng binili ko. Anong size ba nito? Ano na lang siya? $40. $89.99 siya before. Nabili natin siya na $40 na lang. Naka-sale din siya. Roxy.
Oh, it's going to cost me $6.
What app is that? MUD?
Yeah, like inflammatory diet.
Inflammatory diet. Gusto niya mag-sign up? $66 for how many months?
6.
6 months? Oh, it's up to you.
You have a look there. You chase me when you bloody finish this plan.
Mag-sign up siya per plan. Magkakaroon daw siya 6 packs. Well, it's up to you. It's up to you. Nag-sign, ano na siya, linagay niya na yung kanyang weight, height, and everything. So, ang babayaran niya ay $66 for 6 months. Nahawaan ko na si Johnny Boy sa aking pagda-diet. Hahabol siya sa akin. Pinapakuha na niya na yung wallet kasi nga, kailangan yung card. Babayaran niya $66 for 6 months. Okay, try ko pala to. Try natin to kasi hindi ko to trinay. What's that? No, give it to Daddy. Why you're giving to me? Try natin to. Wait lang, guys. Wala akong planong bumili ng mga damit, pero ang dami ko na naman nabili. Pero hindi naman siya yung damit na mga pang-workout naman yung nabili natin. Ayan siya, guys, oh. Yung computer bag ko nandun pa. Ayan.
Mom's
nice. Okay. So, ayan siya. Maganda yung kulay. May ganito akong kulay eh. Pero nice naman to. Dalawa na yung kulay kong ganito, pero hindi ko alam kung anong brand. Cotton on yung nabili ko. Yung suot ko nung nung sa Allendale, yung dinala kong extra. So, yan. Okay, mag-edit muna tayo kasi may oras pa ako. 3:20. Ang training ni Sak is 4:15. So, may oras pa ako. So, ikaw is matagal ka pa, 6:45 ka pa. So, ito yung susuotin ko at saka yung denim jacket. Itago na natin. Yes. Baba, Kuya will do that one. And, eto pala yung bigay ni Simple Race. Napasalubong niya sa akin nung nagbali siya. Pinagpasa-pasaan na to. Naiwan ko to kila Mers nung binigay sa akin ni Race. Tapos, binigay ni Mers kay Kat kasi papunta dito pero hindi nadala ni Kat. So, finally, nakuha na natin. And merong bracelet dito si Holly. Holly, tita, Grace gave you a bracelet from Bali. Ito, oh. Yung shell. Hindi ka. Oh, same as, where's the other one that, here, come here first. Binigyan din siya ni Sophie, di ba? Tita Grace. Oh, nice. Oh, where's the other one so you can...
That's not that one.
It's alright.
My necklace.
Necklace pala yung binigay sa kanya. Alright.
Bracelet one.
This is from Sophie.
Sophie,
Yeah.
and this one's like this one.
Yeah.
But it's rainbow.
Rainbow color.
Thanks to the race.
Thanks, Tita Race daw. Oh. So, ang dami niya ng kwintas. Oh, ikaw na ang maraming kwintas.
Ew, little jewelry.
How you do this? Okay. I don't know. So, diba?
Got a lot of jewelry.
Madami niya ng bling-bling. Oh. Dami niya ng bling-bling. Oh. Ito hindi niya talaga hinuhubad. So,
Yeah, go a little like this.
and this one, I'm gonna... Hoy, Baba, you have dim sim here. Put it in the bin if you don't want. So, etong vest na to, dati siyang $55.99. $50 natin siya nakuha. So, parang less $6 lang. Pero maganda naman siya. So, itago ko ng mga to. Yung dalawa nanunood ng TV, si Jan, andun pa rin siya, nagsa-sign up pa rin siya. Nagbabayad na pala. What's that, Holly?
He's signing up to do the diet.
To do the diet. Enough ko na siya kasi luto na. Ay, you're gonna order your chip later, okay? Ayan, luto na yung kanilang hotdog. Isa kanina umalis. Meron akong nasimulan ng konti sa pag-e-edit pero hindi natin yun matatapos kasi alis na kami in 15 minutes. Si Sak, tinawag niya si Taj. Nandun sila sa trampoline. Oh, tsaka si Holly. Lakas ng hangin. Tawagin ko siya later. May 15 minutes pa siyang paglalaro. Careful, Sak! May 15 minutes pa tayo. Ito yung dinigay ni Kat sa akin na mani na may dilis. Ayan. Yung lasa ng mani, matabang. Yung dilis medyo maalat-alat na may tamis ng konti. Masarap siya, from Korea. Nagda-transfer lang ako ng files. May 15 minutes pa, oh. 132 gigabytes. 132.8 gigabytes. 15 minutes. Oh my God, ang tagal pa. Hala, umulan na. Hi! It's raining. Si Jan kumuha na ng chips.
Get out the ride! Bob said get out the ride! Oh, I thought I could just hear it. Get out the ride, Bob said.
Mainit na, umuulan. Ayan na yung dalawa. Tsaka si Taj, pauwi na. Nandun na siya, dumaan. Yeah, soon.
You still watching this?
Yan na yung chips.
Chips as well?
I'm gonna hurry up, you got it.
Yeah, I'm going soon.
Give me one chip, please.
Say that.
Anya.
See, Anya.
Anya, come on, let's go.
Say
Okay.
love you.
Boy, where you going, Sak?
Yeah, because I'm going
Here. The car is here.
Guys, say ya.
See you later,
See ya.
alligators.
You got water?
Don't wanna fall.
You got what? Can you wipe your nose? Look at your nose.
Yeah, he has water.
I'll just
Okay.
use this. I might just fill it up with some water.
Okay.
Because I forgot my water in the
So your game is 6 o'clock?
Yep. No, 7. Finish at 8.
No.
Nah, I'm joking. Yeah.
Iba na kasi yung schedule niya kasi iba na yung team niya. Parang in-upgrade siya sa mas matanda compare nung last term. So, hindi na yung
Last winter.
nung winter. Hindi na yun ang kagrupo niya. Nag-email kay Auntie Mel.
Filthy, hi. That's why I love 20.
So, yung kay Sak,
I had to pour the whole water in.
ang training niya is, what time is your training? 5? Or oh, what's that? The break?
May.
What?
Got my seatbelt on.
No. What's that? Put your seatbelt. No, it's...
That's right. Let's put some.
So, kay Sak, matatapos, may training siyang 1 hour. Then, after ng training niya, meron siyang game 6 to 7 o'clock.
No, we train 6 and then we start 7.
No, don't.
Yeah.
6 o'clock is your training.
No. 5 o'clock is our training
Yeah.
and our game starts at
6 o'clock. Yeah, so 6 to 7.
So like we finish at
7. Yeah. Then si Holly naman, so mapapanood ko si Sak, pero hindi ko matatapos yung game niya kasi kailangan ko rin i-drop off si Holly ng 6:45 sa dancing lesson niya. And then matatapos siya 7:15, di ba? Pag ganun ako ngayon, ngayong term na to, ganun ang schedule ko every Tuesday. Si Kuya hindi na naman feeling well.
I don't know why they have like training and then after the game and then after the training is a game.
Yeah, because
And why does it have to be in like the weekdays?
What? Weekdays what? The training?
Yeah.
You got something on your nose, can you wipe it, please? You have... Grab tissue there, please. Use the mirror and so you can see it. And naiwan ko yung shades ko kay Kat sa bag ni Kat. Kasi kahapon, di ba, naka-shade ako nung nanood ka ng sine. Malit yung bag na dala ko. Nagkasya sa bag ni Kat. And hindi ko na nakuha. Nakalimutan ko na.
What's that squeaky noise?
Yeah, that's what that complaining about. Yeah, what's that? Kanina, naririnig yan ni Jan. Hinahanap niya. What's that? Can you hear it?
Probably something else.
Okay, mamaya
From
na.
your seat, Mom.
From my seat.
Yes.
Dito na tayo. See ya. Mwah.
Love you.
Love you. Magti-training pa siya ng 1 hour. So, mamaya na kami pupunta.
Love you, Mom.
Love you to see ya. Pupunta doon. Dala ko yung laptop. Mag-edit tayo. Kasi Holly, hindi ka nakatulog. You didn't sleep, Baba?
No.
Yeah, so mag-edit tayo. Umuulan na, guys. And ako, hinahanap ko yung ibang clips ng aking edit today. Ayan, nahanap ko na finally.
Mommy.
Yes. Punta natin si Saxy. Hi! Ayan si Holly.
Now on that.
Okay, yeah. Pioneers na si Sak. Ang team ni Sak is Pioneers na. Ayan na siya. Number 51. Mag-start na si Sak. Kaso maya-maya, alis na kami ni Holly. 6:04 na. 6:45 yung kay Holly. Magbabiyahe pa ako siguro mga 8 to 10 minutes. Magda-drive. So, mapapanood ko lang si Sak saglit. Then, alis na ako mamaya. Kami ni Holly.